Class 2, now open your books, page number 96. Exercise, work it out. Question number 1. Write the number of sides of each figure and also name it. You have to write the name of each figure and write the number of sides. What is the first one shape? It's a rectangle. What shape it is? It's a rectangle. And the spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. How many sides it has? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. What is the next one shape? It's a square. What is the name of this shape? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. And how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Now tell me, what is the name of the next shape? It's a triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. How many sides it has? It has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. What is the next one shape? It's a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. And how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks using the following words. You have to fill these blanks with these words. What are the words? Rectangle, square, triangle. The first one is, the sides of a dash may or may not be equal in length. Now tell me, which is the shape from all these shapes which can or cannot be equal in length? Is it rectangle? No. Square? No. Triangle? Yes. The sides of a triangle may or may not be equal in length. So you'll write here triangle. The next one is, opposite side of a dash are equal in length. Rectangle or square? Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Next one is, all sides of a dash are equal in length. It's a square. All sides of a square are equal in length. I hope you all have done. Now it's your homework is to learn the shapes name with their spellings. Thank you.